Good morning, students. So today we will continue the same chapter 1, and today we will talk about grid reference. That is a very important part of toposheet. Okay. So let us talk about grid reference. What is grid reference? Before we understand what are grids, we must know something about the vertical and the horizontal red lines drawn on the survey map. That is called the eastings and the northings. Okay. So some special things I will teach you about the vertical lines as well as the horizontal lines. You can see here certain vertical lines are drawn. So the vertical red lines which are drawn over a toposheet is called easting. Okay. Vertical red lines which are drawn over the toposheet are called eastings. They are the vertical red lines which are drawn parallel to each other. The second characteristic of this vertical line is that these are parallel to each other. You can see in the figure, these are parallel to each other. Okay. On a survey sheet with a distance of 2 centimeter. So what is the distance between these two parallel lines? You can see it is written here. Between these two parallel lines, the distance is 2 centimeter, as you can see it in the figure. Okay, so that is the third characteristic. And also they have 2-digit numerical value in ascending from west to east. Now see the value of these vertical lines. 33, you can see that 33, its value is 33. Then the next value is 34, then 35, then 36, then 37, 38, and it will continue like that. Okay, so the value is always in 2 digits. That is the most important thing. Alright, it means that if the value of the vertical line, that is the easting, if it is 0, then we will write 00. Okay, if its value is 1, we will write 01. If its value is 2, we will write 02. Like that, 03, 04, then 10, 11, 12, and it will continue up to 99. Okay, it will be always a 2-digit value, a 2-digit number. Alright, the important thing which we can see is, in a map I have told you that the top is north. Alright, and the bottom is south. Okay, so this part of a map, if this page is a map, okay, so the top part of this map is north and the bottom part of that map is south. Okay, your right hand side is east and your left hand side is west. Now see this grid. Okay, so top is north, bottom is south, right hand side is east and left hand side is west. In this case, you see the value. Can you see the value? From left hand side, the value is 33, then 34, then 35, then 36, then 37. You can see that as we are moving towards our right hand side, from left we are moving towards right hand side, the value of that easting is increasing. Okay, so like left hand side, what is the direction? West, and we are moving towards which direction? East. Okay, we are moving towards our right and the value is increasing. This is why these vertical red lines which are drawn over our toposheet is called eastings. Got that now? This is the reason. Understood? So its value starts from 00 to 99. Alright. Now, let us talk about the horizontal lines. In the figure you can see horizontal lines are drawn. Can you see this? So these horizontal lines which are also parallel to each other, which are also in red color, which are drawn over a topo sheet are known as northings. What is that called? Northings. So the horizontal lines, alright, the horizontal red lines on a survey sheet with a distance of 2 centimeter. Okay, so these parallel lines are also having the same distance, 2 centimeter. Alright, they are 2 centimeter apart from each other. Okay, so these are called northings. Okay, so these horizontal lines which are drawn parallel to each other, alright, these are also in red color on a topo sheet. These are known as northing. Okay, and the same condition which is there with the northings also. Their value also starts from 00 and it reaches up to 99. That means it is always represented by 2-digit number. Okay, the number will be always 2-digit. As I have told you that if it is 0, we will write 00. If it is 1, we will write 01. If its value is 2, we will write 02. Like that, it will continue up to 99, 99, and then again it will start from 00. Okay, so it will be always 2-digit numerical number. Alright, so the same case is there. Now, why we are calling it a northing? As I have described you that the top part is north, the bottom part is south. I am talking about a map. Okay, so in a map, only example I am showing you here. So top part is north, bottom part is south. Right hand side, as I have told you, that is east. Left hand side is west. Okay, now see the numerical value of these horizontal lines. Can you see this numerical value? What is written? It is 93. Next line, the value of next line is 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Now what is specific thing you can see here? It means that the bottom line is having the minimum value and the top line is having the maximum value. Okay, it means as we are moving towards north, alright, see, bottom I have told you it is south. Now from this south we are moving towards north. The value of these horizontal lines are increasing. This is why we call them northing. Alright. Now let us see an example of a topo sheet. Okay, so this is a topo sheet. See this figure? Alright, that is extract of the Survey of India map sheet number 45D10. Is it visible to all of you? Okay. Now, see. Let us first talk about the sting. Okay, sting. Now, see, the value is 10. Yeah, let me show you. See the value. What is sting? The vertical lines. Can you see red vertical lines are drawn over this topo sheet? Okay. So what is the value of that red vertical line? The first line, its value is on the top, it is written 10. Okay. Here, it is written 10. Alright, this vertical line. Then the next line, its value is 11. Then 12. See, vertical line, that line which is coming from top to bottom. Okay, and you will see that at the bottom also the same value is written. That means this whole line from top to bottom, its value is same. Okay, this line, the first line, it's on the top it is written 10, and the bottom also it is written 10. Okay, so this value, okay, this value from top to bottom, the same line is there, its value is 10. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so these vertical lines are having its value. Now let us see that northing. I have told you that from bottom, okay, the horizontal lines. Can you see this horizontal line? Its value is how much? 0, 2. Okay, I am talking about this horizontal line. Okay, this horizontal line. Its value is 0, 2. The next horizontal line, its value is 0, 3. Next horizontal line, okay, its value is 0, 4. Like that, as we are moving towards north, the value of this horizontal line is increasing. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 06, 07, 08, 09 and 10. Alright. Now one more thing is there, that these vertical lines and the horizontal lines are crisscrossing each other. You can see that this vertical line, this vertical line, this vertical line and this horizontal line and the first horizontal line. When they are crisscrossing each other, you can see a box is formed here. See this box in the topo sheet. Okay, can you see this box? I am showing you here this box. Okay, then this box you can see. Okay, so these boxes, the square boxes which are formed because of the crisscrossing of the vertical lines, that is easting, and the horizontal lines, that is northing. This is called grid. Okay, this is called grid. Alright, so in the next video I will teach you about the grid reference. Alright, what is grid reference and how we will understand that grid reference. Alright, and also one thing is there, students, I am sharing my WhatsApp number with you, and if you are having any queries you can ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, so note down. My WhatsApp number is 8789075201. Once again, 8789075201. Alright, you can ask your queries, but the timing for asking the queries is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning. Got 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Between that you can ask whatever queries you are having and I will answer you. Okay, but the timing is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you.